Welcome to NoWhere Vans. Come on inside and check out the Dunraven. This insulated 4-season adventure van features a seating area, bed, and kitchen, but it's much more than meets the eye. The kitchen features a deep basin sink, a 12-volt refrigerator, an 1800-watt induction cooktop, lots of drawer space, and solid maple butcher block countertops. Lining the natural cedar ceiling above is plenty of cabinets and storage space running even above the bed. Beneath the stove hides a composting toilet, which pulls out easily on drawer mounts. Overhead you can find an easily operable vent fan, while temperature controls are installed on the wall beneath the cabinets. The seating area holds a hideaway table for eating and working, and even more storage space behind and beneath both benches for laptops and laundry. A pull-away panel reveals a shower basin, and with a quick setup, you have a private shower right in your living room, operated by controls in the cabinet above. No matter if you like it hot or cold, this van can make it happen, and the water drains into a 13-gallon gray tank under the sink. The surprises don't end there though, as that same pull-away panel converts the 2 benches into a bed, perfect for a visiting friend. The rear doors access storage beneath the bed, which can hold all of your adventure gear, including up to 4 bicycles on these 500-pound full extension drawer sliders. To the left, an easily attachable hose connects to the 26-gallon water tank that makes cleaning your furry companion, your dirty equipment, or yourself a breeze. Like the other water fixtures, this is heated by an electric heater with plenty of power to keep that shower going. And to the right houses all that high-tech crap I know nothing about, but if you'd like more information, check out the description below. This is the Dunraven from NoWhere Vans. You can pick up this very van for yourself. Just head over to nowherevans.com for more information.